Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. Then go ahead and click on your message. Click on this plus sign from the top right here. Click on settings. Click on chat background. So you have different options right here. Select a background, select from album, take a photo. So these are the three options right here. Click on select a background right here. Then here you can choose any background of your choice. So by default, this is the current background you will have in your Alipay. You can decide to choose any of the background right here. I'm going to select this, allow it to load. Once it loads, select on it, then go back. So if you would like the background to be applied to all charts, what you need to do is to click on apply to all charts right here. Apply to all charts, click on yes. Then you can simply go back to your chart. Go back to your chart. So if I open up any of my charts right here, the background become effects, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye for now.